I want to show you guys how how I've been maintaining until stems comes for MPC. So basically, I have this program here I use all the time is ripx. So I found this sample here by Chic, and what I really like about this program is it doesn't just take out like four elements. Like this thing has the voice, piano, guitar, bass, kick, drums, percussion, strings. So you don't just get four stems, you get like eight or more. So it's a fantastic thing. So I'm going to take out the the drums. All right, so now I got the drums here. With the sample, I'm going to use the bass line and those strings. You know, so I stemmed this bass line out. I stemmed it out by itself, and I stemmed these strings out by itself. So I put these inside of MPC. I use lazy chop. So I went to here to all, and I warped them so they'll be in the proper tempo. All right, so then I put some effects on them. I went here. I put Flavor Pro. Put half speed on here. I'm using Cycle Kit 7. Hit 2. The bass line. I just took that bass line that I showed y'all guys earlier, and I chopped it up. I put some effects on here. All right, that's it. Peace.